Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll see how we can integrate Selenium Git and Jenkins in automation testing. Okay, so as part of earlier demos, we saw how we can write a code in Selenium. Okay, how we can push the code into the Git. So now if you see, so as part of today's demo, we are going to see how we can install the Jenkins. Okay, and how we can integrate Jenkins with the Git. So I would recommend, if in case you have not visited my last session, okay, kindly visit it. Okay, so here we can see last session we already saw, like as part of GitHub repository, we already pushed the code, launching a browser, simply launching a browser and opening a Google browser. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll refer the same code and we'll integrate into the Jenkins. Okay, so to install the Jenkins, first we need to visit to jenkins.io/download and we need to install the Jenkins, and after that we need to extract it. Okay, so here you can see this is the code which we have written last demo, git demo.java. Okay, and this is simple uh, browser opening the code. Okay, we are assigning the driver, and after that we are launching the browser and opening the google.com. Okay, and we have pushed the same code into the here, this repository, like if you see, yeah, here. Now as part of today's demo, first we need to install the Jenkins. So I already extracted. Okay, here you can see, and yeah, this my Jenkins already available. Okay, now if you see, if you want to see whether Jenkins is running or not, you will simply come here. By default, Jenkins is running on the 8080 port. Okay, so right now my Jenkins is stopped, it's not working. Okay, if in case you are opening first time, okay, you can see some, we need to add some plugins. Okay, and okay, so what I will do, as part of this thing, I'm going to start the Jenkins. Okay, so now here you can see, so we need to wait till we get the message like Jenkins is up and running. So here you can see started initialization, and yeah, we can see the site cannot be reached. Okay, but now I got Jenkins fully up and running, and if you refreshed, okay, so we are expecting the Jenkins home screen, and here we need to give the user ID password. Okay, so what we need to do it, so like as I mentioned, okay, so this is the last time we have push the code, so we are going to call the same code. So I am going to copy the repository name, and here I am going to create a new job. Okay, so I am going to select demo Jenkins. I am going to mention, okay, and I am going to select Maven. Okay, click on OK. Okay, here you can see, so we will configure this. Okay, so here we need to give some description. This is the demo integration between Selenium Git and Jenkins. Okay, and so as part of today's demo, I'm going to show you the basic things. Okay, so here we need to come here, we need to the git path. Okay, repository name. Okay, now if you see here demo 7, okay, we have the main is the only repository. Okay, we don't have the master, so we need to come down, and yeah, we need to mention the branch specify main. Okay, and we also need to give the pom.xml. Yeah, pom.xml path is already there. Here you can see pom.xml is already there. Okay, and we need to give the goal clean install. Okay, and if you want to trigger the same things again and again, here is a configuration build trigger. Okay, if you check, okay, you can configure hourly, then minutely or day wise. Okay, and if you want to see any post deployment any action, okay, you can just simply select this one, any action. Okay, it will apply. So now I'm not going to select anything, I just simply going to trigger manually. So I'm going to click save. Okay, and I'm going to click on the build now. Okay, now here you can see it started build activity. If you if you want to see more details, simply go to console outcome. Okay, so now here you can see pom.xml, it started compiling the file. Okay, test started. Okay, here you can see running the test, browser is opened, Google is launched, and log out. And here you can see the message also came, like if you see here, my build is success, and message also there, info application is launched successfully. Okay, so this way we can integrate it. So again I'm going to re-trigger it again one more time, build now. Okay, here you can see it's 245. Okay, now as part of pom.xml, it will launch the browser, it will give the google.com URL. Okay, here you can see maximize logout, and here you can see build it success. Okay, so this way we can integrate Selenium in Selenium with Java in Git. We can push the code in Git, and from Git we can integrate in Jenkins. So this way we can create a new job and we can integrate between all these three. Okay, if in case you have any questions, query, please let me know. Thank you.